The seemingly simple solution to our mounting garbage crisis has captivated imaginations for decades. Why not just toss all our trash into volcanoes? If you've played Minecraft, you're already familiar with dropping unwanted items into lava, watching them disappear forever. The reality is far more complicated and downright dangerous, especially considering Americans alone generate a mind-boggling 239 million tons of garbage annually. That's enough to fill thousands of football stadiums. Finding a way to eliminate this waste seems like an obvious priority, and volcanoes appear to offer a ready-made incinerator. But here's where fantasy crashes into harsh reality. Volcano reality check, not what you think. Forget what you've seen in movies. Most volcanoes aren't bubbling cauldrons of accessible lava. There are only 8 active lava lakes on the entire planet. Most volcanoes resemble mountains with craters filled with rocks or water, not convenient pits of molten magma. Even if we found a suitable volcano, proximity is a nightmare. Shield volcanoes with their iconic lava lakes are extremely rare. Transporting garbage thousands of kilometers would cost a fortune compared to local landfills or incineration plants. And here's the shocking part nobody talks about. Organic matter doesn't just burn when it hits lava, it explodes. That's right, your banana peels and coffee grounds become nature's bombs when they contact 2000 Fahrenheit molten rock. Scientists haven't fully explained why, but the violent reaction makes volcano disposal dangerously unpredictable. Now here's the plan B. Why not dump it into the sun? Imagine if you propose shooting nuclear waste into the sun. There will be someone claiming it would affect the sun. Ridiculous. Our star consumes planets for breakfast. A few tons of waste wouldn't cause a solar hiccup. The real reasons are far more practical. The astronomical cost and catastrophic risk of rocket failure with radioactive materials would create an environmental nightmare. A 4% rocket failure rate means 1 in 25 launches ends in disaster. Imagine nuclear waste raining from the sky. Counterintuitively, it's easier to send something out of our solar system than into the sun. Why? Because Earth is already orbiting the sun at a blistering 30 kilometers per second. To reach the sun, you must cancel this enormous velocity, requiring massive amounts of fuel. It would take 10 times more energy to reach the sun than just getting into orbit. Ironically, volcanoes would be easier to access than space, but both options remain environmental and economic disasters. Modern waste management through recycling and properly designed incineration plants remains our best approach.